So this initial first page. Second page too. Anyway, we're here obviously to sign an MOU between the Fijian government and the Tongan government in respect of the air services agreement. This is a MOU based on that air services agreement, and this actually will allow Fiji Airways / Fiji Link to be able to carry out flights within Tonga itself, in particular from Tonga Tapu to Vavau. And obviously this is this agreement has been reached with the fact that both the countries are agreeable to this, and we look at forging this relationship even a lot deeper and further. I'd like to thank the Tongan government for their forward-looking aspect to this, where we both can be able to mutually assist each other and also benefit from the services that we provided, and also the opportunity to provide those services in Tonga.
At this point, we need help from Fiji, especially the domestic airlines. It's not reliable at the moment in Tonga, so we are looking for Fiji Airways for help. On behalf of the Tongan government, I'd like to thank the Fijian government for the opportunity. Looking forward for fruitful years to come. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Inaka.